Good morning, you guys. This is Miss Eldridge, your librarian here at Washington. I'm going to show you guys how to do research using databases. So to get here, you are going to go ahead and click on the home screen, and then you should see something that says Destiny on it. That'll then get you to this page where I'm at now. I'm going to go through pretty fast just to make the video a little bit shorter, but please feel free to just pause and stop, rewind, look at things that you need to see again, or come back to it at another time. So you guys are going to be doing research on genetic mutations and some diseases. So we are going to find the best place to look for that in this database. So once you get in here, you're going to see there's a bunch of different databases based on whatever it is that you want to research. So in this case, we're going to go down to where it says science, and we are going to click on that. From there, it's going to ask for your zip code. I'm just going to throw in our school zip code, which is 85021, and then I'm going to get logged in. All right, so then as it's loading, you guys are going to see a couple different things that you can look for. So one, you can just search and use the specific topic that you are researching, or you can always browse a list of topics, and it's got a ton of different options for you there. Then you'll see that it's got some different areas of science that it is featuring here, and then it's got more topics that you can browse. In this case, I already know what I am going to work on. I'm going to look up cerebral palsy. All right, so that is going to load for me now. And when I look for cerebral palsy, you're going to see that at the top, it's going to give me different types of results. So say that you're creating a Google slide about this and you want to pull some images. You can pull images directly from here. It also has videos. But then you're going to find more of the reference topics. And this is probably where I'd have you guys look first. Okay, some of these reference topics. You can also see that there's news articles, maybe some academic journals. Those are really science-based, especially if there's something called peer-reviewed journals. But I would try to find something that you think is relatively new and relevant to the topic. So right here, you can see that this first one is written in 2022. So is this second one. And hopefully it's going to have some good information for me here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this article. And then you guys are going to notice that there are a few different things that you can use. So I'm going to show you what they are. So right here at the top, you've got a site. You can send it, you can download it, you can print it, or you can get links, or you can do highlights and notes. So we're going to go over those features very quickly. So say that this is an article that you really want to use. This is a source that is going to help you with your project. If you click on Cite, it's going to pull up the citation that you need for your reference page. So a reference page is just where you are giving credit to the people that you got the information from. And you have to do that for all of your writing. If you don't, that is what is going to get you into plagiarism territory, which means that you're taking credit for someone else's work, which we don't want to do. Because we are in science, we are going to be using APA 7th edition. So if I just click on that, boom, it changed the citation to exactly what I wanted. So if I were to just select that, it's going to highlight it for me, and then I could copy and paste it and put it somewhere where I'm going to keep all my references. But I'm actually going to show you an easier way to try to organize your information in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and just exit out of that, but that's how you would find your citations. The next thing that you can do is you can hit send to. And you can set it up by sending it to your Google Drive. So I've got to sign in. I'm going to click on my page. And then once it does that, it's going